This is how we wake up. Ready to play ball. Alright guys, so I don't know if you could tell by the white caps on the water, but it is super windy today. So we are improvising and going to make breakfast in the van. This is our little setup inside. Got the food box lid as a base and then the stove box as the flat surface. It's pretty level actually, despite being on blankets and whatnot. The Jetboil kit comes with a little stand though that helps level your whole setup, so that is awesome. Let's get to making coffee. Already starting to get hot. I wanted to share this coffee mug with you guys because I got it yesterday before the trip at Sportsman's Warehouse. It was on sale for $12. I think normally they are $19.99, but it's by a company called 50/50, and it's double wall insulated, supposed to keep your coffee warm or your cold drinks cold for hours, and it is a 12-ounce mug, so it holds 12 ounces of coffee. So pretty excited to try it out. I'll let you guys know how long it lasts in a later video, but 50/50 brand at Sportsman's Warehouse, and you can get their gear online as well.